Hey everyone, it's me Willow and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to be doing Ecco's makeup from Gotham. As many of you probably already know, I did an Ecco makeup tutorial back in October, but when I made it, there had only been 2 pictures released from the actress and the season 5 trailer had not been released yet. So I had no idea that she had this whole upside down makeup look on one side of her face. So my interpretation of her makeup was not correct. So because a lot of people have been asking for it, I decided to do an updated look. And all I can say is that this makeup look is so much fun, it's challenging, and it's just so creative. And me being a big fan of Gotham, I had so much fun doing it. And I bet all of you guys will love watching this tutorial and maybe trying it out at home if you guys love Gotham. So let's just get into it. To start, we're going to block out one of our eyebrows because Ecco doesn't have one of her eyebrows. So to do that, you're going to take a washable glue stick and you're just going to start painting that over the brows. And you're going to want to do this a couple times to be able to get the full coverage. So you're going to want to swipe it over a little bit and then let it dry. Once it's dry, swipe some more glue over and just do that. So you want to block out the left one. I blocked out the right one, which is the wrong eyebrow. And after you're done that, you're going to take some white face paint and put that all over your face and a little bit down your neck. Not all the way because Ecco's neck isn't all covered. While we're waiting for our eyebrow to dry with that glue, we're going to start on the other eyebrow. So with a black eyeliner pencil, I am basically just starting to shape out my brow. If you watched my Jeremiah Valeska tutorial, they have basically the exact same brow. So at the tip of your brow at the front, you're going to make a diagonal shape that's going towards the middle of your forehead, and then you're just kind of making a curve, kind of like a Nike swoosh, and you're going to want to make sure that your arch is very defined and that the end is a little bit longer. And you want to fill that in with the black eyeliner, and I'm just wiping this out and blending it in with this angled brush, and always set a cream with a powder to make sure that there is no smudging. So I'm just taking a black eyeshadow and patting that in. Now I'm just cleaning up the eyebrow with some of the white face paint to make sure that is sharp and clean. The other eyebrow is now dry, so I'm going to take some loose powder and just pack it on to the eyebrow. And then I will take my white face paint and pack that on as well. And I did that a couple times along with putting some concealer, and we are doing this to make sure we block out as much of the darkness. And because I have very thick, very dark brows, I had to do these 3 steps several times to make sure I got the best result possible. But take your time. This does take some patience, but once it is done, it looks great. Now I'm just setting all of that with a setting spray. We are about to move on to the hardest part of the look, which is the under eye, eyebrow type look. And to get the best results, I am taking my eyeliner and I'm making a little dot a couple of centimeters away from the edge of my eye, and then one on the top, a couple centimeters away from the top of my nostril. Then you're just going to want to connect those lines. So of course, this part didn't film, so we're just going to look at this reference photo. So basically, you're just doing the exact same thing as the first eyebrow, except you're just doing it upside down. And I made so many mistakes. I made it too thick at first, it was too low. This is going to take a lot of time and effort to make it look great. And don't get upset if it doesn't turn out great the first time. You just want to redo it and try again. And I used a lot of Q-tips and a lot of white face paint to clean it up and to make it look good. I believe in you guys, it will look good. For the lids, we are going to take a brown eyeshadow and we are going to put it on the lid with the regular eyebrow. So basically, you're just going to want to place that all across your lid and into your crease and then just blend it up. I blended it up to about the edge of my brow bone and I just fluffed it out and made it pretty smoky. And for the other eye, we are going to make it a little bit more dramatic and put it underneath. So take that brown color and put it underneath the lash line for the eye that doesn't have an eyebrow. And then for both of them, we are just going to line the top and bottom water lines and the top lash lines. And make sure you blend those out too. I took the black eyeliner to line those and smoke them out. For mascara, we are going to want to do the top lashes for the regular eyebrow eye, and then just the bottom lashes for the no eyebrow eye. For lips, take a bright red lip color and place it all over your lips. And once you are done that, take a Kleenex and you're going to start wiping and smudging this lipstick. And you're going to want to primarily focus on the smudging on the side that has no eyebrow. And that is just, I don't know, it's just like her effect. Like she just has all this lipstick smudged on that one side. But make sure it's still a very prominent color. On the side of the face that does have an eyebrow, the bottom half of that lip is covered in white face paint. So I just put some white face paint on that and just kind of blended the pink and the white together. And with that, you have Ecco's completed makeup look. For an add-on, I decided to do Ecco's hair because I think it is super cool. So my hair is naturally curly, as you can see, so pretty textured. But if you don't have naturally textured hair, I suggest curling it or even crimping it to give it that fluffy and like rugged look. So to start the tutorial, you're going to want to section the front of your hair from the crown of your head. And then you're going to want to tie those pieces off. So you're now going to have the front and the back section. With the front section, pull a couple of pieces out because Ecco has a few hanging pieces. I just separated those from the rest of the front section with some bobby pins to make sure I didn't get them confused. And once you've done sectioning, just tie them off so they are not to get confused with the back because we're going to work on the back. Now part your hair down the middle so you have two big chunks. And with one section, you're just going to make a little bun on the top of your head. It's okay if it doesn't look perfect because we are going to take some bobby pins to it later. With the other section, you're going to do the exact same thing. So two big buns on the top of your head. Like I said, doesn't need to be perfect. Once you're done with that, I just took a bunch of bobby pins and kind of made them look a little more round, and I hid the elastic bands as best as I could because I didn't have ones that matched my hair color. Now with the front section, make sure that the hanging pieces are separate from this part. You are just going to want to tease the back to make sure you got some volume. And I'm just wrapping the hair around the bun and then just bobby pinning it in place. I think this kind of adds to the look, and Ecco has a lot of volume in the front of her head. So it would just kind of adds to the effect and makes it look really cool. Now you have Ecco's completed look. Oh my god, guys, I had so much fun filming this video. I think the makeup turned out even better than I hoped for. It just looks so cool with the hair, and it's such a fun and challenging makeup look to do, but it's definitely worth trying. I am so excited for much more Ecco this season in Gotham. She is one of my new favorite characters, and I'm going to cosplay her. I loved her red, white, and black cloak look, so I'm going to make a cosplay of it and make a video on it. So look out for the future, guys, for that video because I'm hoping to make it within the month or so. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed my video. I had so much fun filming it. And if you guys enjoyed it, please leave a thumbs up and comment down below how much you love Ecco. And thanks, guys, for encouraging me to make an updated video because it was worth it. So please subscribe if you like these videos, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!